Few aircraft have captured the imagination like the Convair B-36 Peacemaker. Designed during World War II, the B-36 was the largest piston-engined aircraft ever built, capable of delivering nuclear payloads from the US to the Soviet Union. With 6 pusher propeller engines and later models incorporating jet engines, the B-36 was a hybrid of old and new technologies. Its operational life from 1949 to 1959 saw significant changes in global military strategy. The B-36 remains a fascinating chapter in the history of aerial warfare. The genesis of the B-36 began in early 1941, before the US entered World War II. Military strategists needed a bomber with extraordinary range and payload capacity. The B-36 could carry up to 72,000 pounds of bombs, earning the nickname the aluminum overcast. Thousands of workers and a sprawling factory complex were involved in its construction. Each B-36 was a massive investment, providing strategic leverage during the early Cold War. The bomber's ability to fly from the US to any point in the Soviet Union without refueling was a game-changer. The B-36's development coincided with advancements in radar and avionics, integrating these technologies into its design. This fusion made the B-36 a cornerstone of America's strategic bombing capabilities. The B-36 was a marvel of engineering, powered by 6 Pratt & Whitney R-4360 Wasp major radial engines. Later versions included 4 General Electric J-47 jet engines providing extra thrust. This hybrid system allowed the B-36 to cruise at 230 miles per hour and reach altitudes over 40,000 feet. The bomb bay was modular, capable of carrying a range of payloads, including the massive Mark 17 nuclear bomb. The aircraft's range of over 10,000 miles without refueling was a strategic asset during the Cold War. The B-36's heavy armament and technological advancements made it a formidable presence in the skies. The B-36 played a crucial role in America's strategy of deterrence during the Cold War. Its range and payload capacity sent a clear message to the Soviet Union about American military capabilities. The bomber's psychological impact added complexity to Cold War strategic calculations. The B-36 forced the Soviet Union to invest heavily in air defense systems. It also served as a platform for aerial reconnaissance and electronic warfare. High-profile exercises demonstrated its strategic capabilities to allies and adversaries. The B-36 significantly influenced the strategic landscape of the Cold War era. The B-36's operational history includes notable missions like Operation Ivy, testing the first hydrogen bomb in 1952. It was involved in strategic bombing exercises simulating nuclear strikes on the Soviet Union. The B-36's ability to fly long distances at high altitudes made it ideal for these exercises. These missions showcased the aircraft's versatility and improved the US's image during the Cold War. The B-36 holds a place in history as a symbol of air power and technological achievement. Its distinctive silhouette has made it a popular subject in films, documentaries, and literature about the Cold War. The 1955 film Strategic Air Command starring James Stewart prominently features the B-36. Exhibitions at museums and air shows draw crowds fascinated by its massive structure. The B-36's legacy is preserved through various works of literature and documentaries.